Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by saving any open work and taking quick screenshots if needed. This prevents data loss. Once done, perform a forced restart by holding power for 10 to 15 seconds or power plus volume down on many devices. If the system UI error returns immediately after reboot, make sure to boot into safe mode to stop third-party apps from running. This step isolates the problem so you can fix core system components without background interference. You now clear cache data that often corrupts UI behavior. Open Settings, Apps show System Apps, find System UI and your launcher, then clear cache and storage where available. Once done, uninstall any recently installed or updated apps that coincide with the error. Reboot after each removal to check progress. Make sure to update the launcher, Google Play services, and system updates. Outdated components can conflict with System UI. These actions remove corrupted state and restore expected interfaces. You finish by choosing a safe reset path. First, try wiping the cache partition from recovery mode to preserve your data. This often clears deeper system caches causing the crash. If that fails, back up everything and perform a factory reset to return the device to a known good state. Make sure to reinstall apps gradually to identify the culprit. Troubleshooting tip: if System UI still misbehaves, add a new user profile or install a different launcher to see whether the issue is per account or system-wide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.